Hello there, this is Bizworld. The Malaysian Palm Oil Council MPOC has welcomed the European Union's deforestation regulation aimed at stemming the importation of commodities including cocoa, palm oil and soy into the European market. The Council, however, urged the EU Parliament to acknowledge national certification programs like the Malaysian Sustainable Palm Oil MSPO standards as an effective measure to meet the requirements of the regulation. MPOC said that to date, 96% of Malaysian palm oil production, including industrial stakeholders, SMEs and smallholders, are certified by the MSPO. This level of certification is more than adequate to meet the requirements of the EU's deforestation regulation. Thus, Malaysian government is firmly committed to the sustainability of palm oil production based on the country's laws governing its natural environment and the rights of all people in the industry. This removes the risk of companies that import Malaysian palm oil from having to bear the liability of cause and harm should infractions occur. Some 50% of German companies operating in Malaysia are planning to increase their investments by next year. According to the latest AHK World Business Outlook Fall 2022 survey, Malaysia has plenty to offer, including an investor-friendly environment, skilled workforce and strong supplier network. The survey also revealed that 54.2% of German companies expect to raise headcount in 2023, which bodes well for job seekers in the face of a possible economic downturn. They named 3 advantages of doing business in Malaysia, namely low labour costs, supplier network and the availability of skilled workers. The global supply chain disruption will continue to be a hurdle for companies, and in order to cushion the impact, 65.2% have rolled out plans to look for new or additional suppliers. 81% said Asia-Pacific, excluding China, was their go-to region to source for new suppliers, while 61.9% preferred to look within Malaysia specifically. The Bumiputra Agenda Steering Unit Teraju has urged the local telecommunication companies to take advantage of the opportunities available in the implementation of the 5G network. Its CEO, Datuk Mat Silmi Abdul Rahman, said there are vast opportunities available in the digital ecosystem, including content and application development, wealth creation through the digital economy, as well as production hubs for 5G components such as fibre cables and software. Bumiputras who have the expertise and merit should be given opportunities to avoid them from being left behind in driving the country's advancement to the economic gateway of the future. Teraju has also taken steps to facilitate Bumiputra companies' participation in the implementation of 5G, encouraging them to go beyond borders and accelerate digital empowerment among Bumiputras to boost competitiveness. Retail to steel conglomerate Lion Group has signed a preliminary deal with Hyundai Glovis Co. to partner up for smart logistics solutions in the Southeast Asian market. Under the MOU, Lion Group will introduce Hyundai Glovis to its key business units, which includes steel area and retail. The partnership entails upgrading the overall logistical efficiency of Lion Group's steel business by adopting smart solutions. Both will also cooperate on expanding the regional foothold to other neighbouring ASEAN countries, which include Thailand, Vietnam and Singapore. Hyundai Glovis, the logistics unit of Hyundai Motor Group, has been seeking to bolster its market presence in Southeast Asia. The FTSE Bursa Malaysia KLCI is expected to stay choppy ahead of the 15th general election. Hong Leong Investment Bank Research anticipates resistance to be at 1,469 and 1,500, while supports at 1,408 and 1,436, as market participants adopt the wait-and-see attitude. Caution among investors is mainly due to the GE15's elevated unpredictability exacerbated by fragmented alliances that led to multi-cornered fights. This is coupled with a 40% jump in registered voters since the last general election to more than 21 million voters, stemming from Undi 18's lowering of the voting age to 18 from 21 and automatic voter registration. That's all the time we have for Bizworld. I'm Nadia Azmi. Thank you for watching and keep tuning in to TV3.